Okay, so I think our next topic is machine coding. That's the 4 point. I think in the last video we have covered the low level design. There's not much difference between a machine coding and a low level design. In low level design is actually a little bit shorter questions where you need to put your that's actually a part of a system design. So in a low level design, you create blocks, you understand the problem, you provide the solution. But on the lower side, like how your code will flow, how your data layer will talk to your database, and the vice versa, how your business layer will talk to maybe data layer, or little bit concepts of how the code gonna flow. In machine coding, you actually need to code. Given a module, given a particular system, you need to code it. That's the only difference. But the concept is same. You're gonna apply the low level design first, and then you actually gonna start writing a code. So that is actually a difference. So what gonna happen? Again, it will take just 1 to 2 month and not a huge topic if you are already a coder. The first thing that you should be aware is your language, any one of the language that you should be able to know end to end. It could be C++, it could be Java, it could be anything that you must be aware that you should be able to prepare. Second thing is actually your object oriented concepts when you're gonna write a code, like for example booking management system. What are the entities you are choosing in that particular entities, how you are creating a classes, interfaces. There these concepts will come into the picture. Obviously design patterns that you should be aware of, how to write a modular code, what design patterns to use, factory pattern. There are different type of design patterns that you must be aware of. There's something called layered programming as well, like how you can create layer wise code. Suppose like you have a database schema, there will be a data layer which is connecting to database schemas, talking to databases, and then there will be a business layer which is talking to this data layer, and then there will be another presentation layer that will be talking to the business layer. So this is one of the example of layered programming that you should be aware of. Then like your solid principles, the code should be modular, should be unit testable, all those concepts, acid properties are there. So these things also you need to keep in my mind. So basically, given a question, like for example, the question should be write a car rental system. So you need to write a whole module of a car renting system. So for example, a driver, there will be someone who is owning the car, and there will be someone who will gonna request the car. So how you track the scheduling, how you track the payments, how you'll show the user whether the car is available or not, whether in this particular radius a car is available or not. Those kind of logic you need to write. And again, like the code should be as per the design patterns. So suppose tomorrow if they are onboarding bike rental as well with the car, so with the minimum changes you should be able to accommodate bike as well. Shouldn't be a case you are changing the whole classes, whole system. So that's the concept of design patterns. So this type of question they're gonna ask. Online booking system, so online maybe ticket booking system, and this type of concepts you need to maybe here you need to brush up for multi-threading concepts, because like so many things gonna come here as per the multi-threading on online booking system. Like simultaneously two people are booking a same ticket, then what gonna happen? So those kinds of scenario you people can ask you on the machine coding part. It's not that huge topic that you need like 3-4 months to prepare or on it, but if you are already like you are into coding, you just need to take care of this 5-6 things. plus the low level design, the previous video, that knowledge, if you have this two plus the language knowledge, I think you should be good. Not much here.